An electric lamp of resistance 20 ohm and a conductor of resistance 4 ohm are connected to a 6-volt battery. So there is a resistance 4 ohm resistance, 4 ohm. Then key. What is this? Then plus minus 40. Yeah. So this is what they gave, and then resistance is 20 ohm. So this electric lamp has 20 ohm resistance. Now observe how you get the resistance. Is there anything in parallel? It's all in series. So R of S equal to R1 plus R2, that's 24. Got it? Ohm. Now the current through the circuit. So V equal to IR, R. So I equal to V by R equal to I. So V equal to how much? 6 and R equal to 24. 6 4 ja equal to I. Okay, that's 1 by 4 ampere. 1 by 4 means 0.25 ampere equal to 0.25 ampere. Got it? The potential difference across the electric lamp and conductor. So they are asking voltage across the electric lamp and across the conductor and power of the lamp. Three things they asked. So potential difference across the electric lamp. Now they asked potential difference from here to here, from this part to this part. This much they asked the V. So we know already V equal to IR. So V for lamp, I will use another color. V for lamp, we apply the values of lamp equal to I is how much? V equal to IR. So equal to V equal to IR. So that's equal to I is how much? 0.25. In series the current never changes, the current will be the same, and resistance is 20. So into 20. So 5 volt it should be. Yeah, 5. Okay, so if you get 20, you get 0, you get 50, and yeah. Lamp. So lamp part is here. We got all the values for lamp. So power of lamp P equal to VI. (1.25) watt. How much voltage it has? 5 volt. Lamp has 5 volt. 5 volt. Okay, the small lamps we have now, that one it is.
By the way friends, if you forget to subscribe Best Classes channel, then you can search on YouTube at bestclasses.pandeysir. Till the next time, Bharat Mata ki Jai and best of study. And don't forget the furious phrase of Pandeysir. Push past your limits.